Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn intro, capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, so now you draw alphabets and use red color. And first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. So now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon, and N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. So now you draw R, the alphabets of R, and use yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. So now you draw numbers and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you draw 5 and use black color. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.